Hello, driving intelligence community. One of my most fun projects, was working on this Kawasaki ZR750H. It's a nice bike, but there's some complexity to working on it. I've got a whole video series below that you can check out. But in this video, I want to show you how to get the air filter and the battery changed, which is not a fun process. Stay tuned. Step 1, remove these two 10mm bolts that hold the gas tank down on the bike. Step 2, find yourself a suitable piece of wood that you can use to elevate your gas tank above the bike so you can access these two 6mm Allen head bolts. Step 3, now that the Allen head bolts are removed, you can remove this bracket and you can take these two Phillips head screws out. Step 4, with the Phillips head screws loosened, you can remove this upper intake horn. Step 5, if you're replacing the air filter, it easily comes out now. Step 6, if you want to remove the battery, you disconnect these leads and the battery pulls straight out. Step 7, go directly to the bar, get yourself a big glass of bourbon or whatever your favorite adult beverage is and start drinking. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please give me that thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.